If you're looking to learn how to use Descript for professional audio editing, you're in the right place. Descript is an incredibly powerful tool that combines transcription, editing, and podcasting all in one platform. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this software can drastically simplify your workflow, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get started with Descript for professional level audio editing. The first thing you'll notice when you open Descript is its simple, user-friendly interface. You can either drag and drop your audio file into the platform or use the built-in recording feature to capture new audio. Once your audio is in Descript, the magic begins. Descript automatically transcribes your audio into text in real time. It's as simple as that. Once the transcription is done, editing becomes a breeze. You can edit your audio just by editing the text. Simply highlight the words or phrases you want to remove or change, hit delete, and watch as Descript automatically removes or alters the corresponding audio. This is a game changer for anyone who's done manual audio editing before and wants to save a ton of time. For more precise edits, you can easily zoom in on your waveform and make adjustments in real time. It gives you complete control over your audio, allowing you to remove mistakes or awkward pauses effortlessly. You'll also have access to tools like multi-clip editing, which helps you stitch together different sections of your audio, or even remove filler words like or with just a click. One of the coolest features in Descript is the overdub tool. Overdub allows you to create a synthetic voice model from your own voice. So if you made a mistake in your recording or want to add a new sentence, you can type it out and Descript will generate the audio in your voice. It's as if you never missed a beat. Descript also makes it easy to enhance the quality of your audio. With features like automatic volume leveling, noise reduction, and equalization, your audio will sound polished and professional. These tools help ensure your recordings are clear and pleasant to listen to, even if you're recording in less than ideal environments. If you're working with podcasts or voiceovers, you'll love the editing speed Descript offers. It's fast, intuitive, and built to help you get your content out quickly without sacrificing quality. And for those who need it, Descript allows for easy collaboration with team members, so you can share your project and work together in real time. Now, for a limited time, you can get access to Descript for completely free by using the first link in the description below. Not only will you get access to the software, but you'll also unlock exclusive bonuses that'll help you get the most out of your Descript experience. So, if you're serious about professional audio editing and want to take your content to the next level, Descript is the way to go. It's fast, efficient, and designed for both beginners and pros alike. Make sure to check out the first link below to access the software and get started with an extended free trial. You won't regret it.